In this video, we will see how to get 30% discount in Tella TV, which is a screen recording tool with a lot of amazing features. To get this 30% discount, click on the first link given in this video's description. It is important to follow this step or you won't get the discount. On the Tella landing page, click on Sign Up and create a new account. Even if you have an existing account on Tella, avoid using it, because you will not get a discount on your old account. You will need to click on Sign Up and create a new account. After creating a new account, click here on Tella Pro Free Trial. Click Upgrade Now. You can see that the original prices have been reduced by 30% for both the plans. Select any plan and click on Upgrade. On the payment page, you can see that 30% discount has been applied. You can fill in the remaining details and complete the payment. If you don't use the link given in this video's description or use any old account, this is the page you will be able to see. You can see that no discount has been applied here. So, it is important that you follow all the steps properly to get this discount. If you want to know about an amazing AI tool to write SEO optimized content, you can check this video right here. If you liked this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Thanks for watching.